The P0024 code indicates that the B camshaft, typically the exhaust camshaft on bank 2 of your engine, is timing over advanced. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder 2. This means the camshaft is opening valves too early relative to the crankshaft position. The issue is detected by the engine control module, or ECM. Variable valve timing systems adjust camshaft position to optimize engine performance across different operating conditions. VVT systems use solenoids or actuators to adjust camshaft timing. This diagram shows variable valve timing components, including intake and exhaust camshafts with different lobe profiles for optimal valve operation. The adjustment is based on engine load, speed, and oil pressure. The VVT solenoid valve controls oil flow to actuate the timing changes. Timing is monitored using camshaft position sensors and crankshaft position sensors. The camshaft position sensor detects the position of the camshaft relative to the crankshaft. The crankshaft position sensor monitors the rotational position of the crankshaft. The P0024 code triggers when the engine control module detects the camshaft is excessively advanced, using signals from these sensors. Several factors can trigger the P0024 code, with oil-related issues being the most common cause. The most common cause, accounting for around 60% of cases, is oil-related issues like low oil pressure or sludge buildup that prevents the VVT solenoid from operating correctly. Electrical faults include damage to the wiring harness or a faulty and clogged VVT solenoid. Mechanical wear can involve a stretched timing chain or worn sprockets that affect camshaft timing. Finally, sensor errors can stem from a malfunctioning camshaft position sensor or glitches in the engine control module software. If your vehicle has a P0024 code, several symptoms may appear. Let's examine the most common ones you'll notice while driving. The check engine light, or CEL, is usually the first indication of a problem. It illuminates on your dashboard to alert you that the engine control module has detected a fault. You might notice reduced engine power, making your vehicle feel sluggish during acceleration. This happens because the timing issues prevent optimal valve operation, reducing overall engine performance. Poor fuel economy is another common symptom, with drivers often experiencing a 5 to 15% drop in miles per gallon. This occurs because the timing problems lead to incomplete combustion and wasted fuel. Engine knocking, also known as pinging, produces a rattling or metallic sound from the engine. This happens when the air-fuel mixture ignites prematurely due to incorrect valve timing. In severe cases, the engine may stall or shut off unexpectedly. This can occur at idle or during low-speed driving when the timing issues disrupt normal engine operation. A critical warning: ignoring the P0024 code and its symptoms can cause serious damage to your catalytic converter. The converter may overheat, become clogged, or develop cracks due to excessive heat from unburned fuel reaching it. Diagnosing the P024 code begins with confirming the code using an OBD2 scanner. Next, check the freeze frame data captured when the code triggered. Look at engine RPM and timing values for insights. Perform an oil pressure test to verify adequate pressure for the VVT system to function properly. Inspect the VVT solenoid for physical damage, clogs, or wiring issues that could cause timing problems. Finally, use an oscilloscope to analyze signals from the camshaft and crankshaft position sensors for irregularities. Remember, these diagnostic steps require proper tools and expertise. Consult a professional mechanic for accurate results. When dealing with the P0024 code, start with the simplest fixes first. Begin with a basic oil change and filter replacement to ensure proper oil flow. If the solenoid is suspected to be faulty, replace the VVT solenoid. This component controls camshaft timing and can become clogged or stuck. In more severe cases, overhauling timing components like the chain, belt, or sprockets may be necessary to fix underlying mechanical issues. After any repair, always clear the diagnostic codes using an OBD2 scanner and test drive the vehicle to verify the fix. Real-world examples show how P0024 affects different vehicles and the importance of timely maintenance. A 2024 recall impacted 1.2 million Ford F-150 trucks from 2015 to 2022 models due to faulty variable valve timing solenoids. This triggered the P0024 code, especially at highway speeds, causing owners to experience significant fuel economy drops of 10 to 20 miles per gallon. The fixes involved replacing the solenoids and applying software updates, which reduced repair costs by 30%. Toyota Camry models from 2014 to 2019 with high mileage, often exceeding 150,000 miles, frequently show the P0024 code due to timing chain stretch. According to a 2023 case study, ignoring this code can result in costly $4,000 engine rebuilds. However, early intervention through maintenance can save up to 60% on repair costs. For Chevrolet Silverado models from 2019 to 2024 used in fleet operations, such as delivery trucks, the P0024 code resulted in 25% vehicle downtime. A fleet maintenance study revealed that switching to synthetic oil helped extend the timing component's life by an additional 50,000 miles, effectively mitigating the problem. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding P0024 issues. Regular oil checks and using synthetic blends can reduce sludge buildup by up to 70%, extending engine life. Comparing motor oils shows synthetic blends offer superior performance with fewer impurities, helping maintain proper valve timing. Current trends show P0024 incidents declining as vehicles shift to hybrids and EVs. Predictive maintenance through telematics systems can predict timing issues before they fail. Statistics reveal that 40% of P0024 diagnoses stem from overdue oil changes, emphasizing the importance of regular maintenance. Looking ahead, as EV adoption reaches 40% globally by 2030, P0024 will become less common. However, addressing it promptly still prevents expensive repairs.